Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Go to be a Java Programmer. Today is day 42 of our coding journey. In today's session, we'll be discussing about why inheritance is needed in Java. Today, we'll dive deeper into what inheritance actually is and how it works in Java. Let's get started. Okay, in order to understand about inheritance more deeply, let's create a new file, inherit inherit.java. Okay, so I've created a new Java file which is known as inherit.java. So in this I'm gonna create calc as discussed earlier. Okay, so in this calc method in this calc class I'm going to create two methods. One is add, which creates two inputs, int n1 and int n2, and what they'll be doing is they'll be returning n1 plus n2. Of course, the same way I'm going to create another practical method which will be creating sub, and it will be minusing these two values. Okay, now in order to use those two methods, we'll be creating an object. I'll be passing two values, 2, 3. Okay, inside add obj.add of 2, 3, obj.sub of 2, 3. Okay, so we'll be putting it inside a variable. Now let's run and see this. Okay, it has been compiled. Okay, so it has given class not found exception because a class name cannot be Java, and that's why we get this problem. So let us change the name of the file. Instead of inherit, let's take it as sample. Okay, sample. Okay, we already have something called a sample, so let's change to anything else. Example. Okay, example.java, and inside this example.java, let's paste this code. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so each time when we run this, we'll get example.class. Now let's see. Now example.class has been created, and S5 and -1 are the two answers. And now what I'm gonna do is, of course, not only example class has been created, calci class will also be created here. Look, this is calci class which has been created, and even of course if I remove this and I make it to run, it is the answer is being here because when it is calling, only the class file which has been already compiled makes use of it. Okay, that's why we get this. Of course we can also create another advanced calci where multiplication and division can be created as methods. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here is, after compiling this advanced.java, let's compile. Advanced class file has been created. Okay, so with the help of this we can use this in the example.java file. Let me show you. Where is example? Yes, example.java. Now here what you can do is you can create an object for advanced. Also I can reuse it to mul and div. Okay, now let's run this file example.java. Yes, the answer has been got. Now, what the problem is, of course, any advanced calculator must contain the properties of the basic calculator. So, what I can do is, I can take the calcs, where's calc.java? I can take the calcs, properties of addition and subtraction, but instead of doing that, what I can do is, I can extend calc. So by extending calc, of course, with extending calc, this is known as basically inheritance. I can even call addition and subtraction. Now let's see the output of example.java. Where is my calc? Okay. Yes, we have got the answer for this. So basically, what we are doing is we are inheriting the properties of the calci class with the keyword extends and with the parent class. So basically, advanced is the child class and calci is the parent class. That's all. Thank you. Inheritance is a powerful feature of Java that helps in building a structured and maintainable code base. By understanding and utilizing inheritance effectively, you can create more efficient and organized applications. Thank you for joining me on day 42 of Let's Code to be a Java programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 43. Happy coding!